Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Vero Beach Resort to do a full room tour of a deluxe inn room. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a good amount of space for everyone.
Now all these rooms have slightly different layouts. This particular one is a standard view, not an ocean view, but because we're in one of the kind of corner rooms, we have like an L-shaped room, we actually have a little bit of an ocean view from our balcony.
Let's go check it out.
When we first come into the room, over on the right, you'll find our kitchenette area. Down below the counter, we do have a mini fridge here. It's a pretty good size. Lots of space in there. No freezer section, but it is a pretty good size mini fridge. We have a sink and a full-size coffee maker. We do have some coffee and creamer and cups and things over there in the corner. We've got an ice bucket with some cups, a microwave, and up here we have our dishes, plates, bowls, mugs, and also some plasticware and a toaster over there in the corner. As we come into the room here, this room kind of curves around like an L shape. Over on the right, there's a connecting door to the room next door, which, if I'm not mistaken, is actually an ocean view room. So you have two different categories connecting with these rooms here. We've got a little coat rack over here on this wall. And as we round the corner, our closet is right over here with these double doors. Inside the closet, you're going to find your in-room safe built into the wall over here. We've got a luggage rack down there, a pack and play, an iron and an ironing board, hangers, and some hanging space, as well as an extra pillow and blanket. And then across from the closet area, we have the bathroom area. We've got a vanity here with a decent amount of counter space and lots of drawers and cabinets down there for storage. We've got a little makeup mirror on the wall in addition to the regular mirror. And then as we go over to the right, that's where the rest of the bathroom is. There's a full-length mirror on that door. And inside this room, you have your toilet and your tub shower combo. Looks like they kind of took the washcloths and made a little makeshift Mickey head there. In the tub, we have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then our shower head is just a single shower head, not a detachable head in here. There's also a clothesline for drying your wet clothes. And of course, it is a tub shower, so you do have the tub option as well. As we head out here into the rest of the room, over on the left, we've got another full-length mirror, kind of a decorative mirror there with a bench that has some storage in it down below. Our beds in here are two queen-size beds. Still plenty of space in here, even with both of the beds. I feel like it's a pretty good size room. On the right-hand side on the wall over here, we've got a gigantic picture of a very tiny baby sea turtle. And it is pretty awesome to come down here to Vero Beach during turtle season. Highly recommended if you ever get the chance. In between the beds, we have a small nightstand where we've got our in-room phone. We also have some USBs and wall outlets built into the nightstand. Some pictures of various shells and coral and starfish, things like that you'll find down on the beach. Each bed does have its own little light above it that you can turn on and off, and the room itself has a single light in the center of the room that is also a ceiling fan. Over on the other side of the room, we've got our giant flat screen TV, and then the dresser below it is where you're going to find more USB and wall outlets. We've got a Blu-ray player down here and some drawers, lots of storage space in here. These drawers are actually a really good size as far as the depth goes. And then next to the dresser, we have a little table and some chairs over here in the corner. Another pretty piece of artwork of a pier up there on the wall. A big lamp there in the corner, and then over here are doors that lead out to our private little balcony. Now this is again a standard view room, but this room happens to be kind of on the corner of the building. So you can see we've got a couple chairs out here and a table. And then as you step out, you'll be able to see our standard view overlooking the resort. But because we're on the corner, that's the ocean over there. So not a bad view. And we're also on the quieter side of the resort because on this half of the building, there are just other rooms. On the other half of the building, that's where you're going to find the pool. And we have had rooms over there. It's a little bit louder. So this is honestly one of our favorite rooms we've ever had here at Vero Beach because it's on the quiet side, a little bit of an ocean view, but just a beautiful place to stay here at Vero Beach in the inn rooms. And that's going to conclude our tour of this deluxe inn room standard view here at Disney's Vero Beach Resort.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out the channel for tons of other room tours. We've got every Walt Disney World resort as well as other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.